Hello everybody. Today I am going to discuss with you one of the best software for online teaching. We should know that one of the most important software for online teaching is Microsoft PowerPoint. This is one of the most powerful tool to teach online. You see here how we are going to start with Microsoft PowerPoint and can see that how we can teach with Microsoft PowerPoint very easily. You see here, if we go to Microsoft PowerPoint, right, first of all you have to set the take a new slide, right, take a new blank slide, and first of all go to insert or go to home, design, then go to page setup, and since this is a video for YouTube, go to on screen show, that is 16:9, and click OK. You see here, this is our slide, and you can take as many slides as you like, right, 3 4 and many slides as you like. In this way you can take as many slides as you like. Now come to slide 1, right. In slide 1 you can see, or slide 2, this is blank slide, this is not a blank slide, take the blank slide 2. First of all you change the format background. Suppose we want a color, this color you can check any of the colors. Suppose we want this color, that is this blue green color, right, and click OK. And if we write it as apply to all the apply to all, and you see that all the apply to all, right, and you see that all the slides change into green color, right. Now with this green color we can take any of the questions, and you can see that how you can solve the question in this Microsoft PowerPoint. First of all, if we go to one of our PDF, you see here that this is one of our PDF and downloads, right. This is for class 7, you can say this is class 7, right. This is class 7, and I'm going to exercise 1. This is integers. We can go to point, suppose if we go here, that is exercise 1.3. This is 1.4. Let us take exercise 1.3. This is exercise 1.3. You can see here. You can see that we will solve exercise 1.3. You can see here, this is 1.3. We are taking exercise 1.3. See, this is 1.3. Since in the previous video I have done this question, that is verify the following. Now I will take this question number 3, and you can see how we can solve this problem with the help of Microsoft PowerPoint. For that, go to here, and you can see here there is a snipping tool. You see, go to snipping tool, right, and snip this question number 3, right. Here you see we are taking this question number 3, right, and here you can copy this one, right, copy and go back to your slide. In this slide you can paste the question here, right, and you can fit this question in your slide as you like. You see, you can fix this question on your slide. Now you can see that there are one question, that is for an integer a, what is minus a into a equal to? That is the first question. And second question is determine the integer whose product is minus 1 with minus 1 is minus 22, 37 and 0, right. You know the integer whose product is with minus 1 is this one, is 0, 37 and minus 22. Let us solve this problem with the help of this Microsoft PowerPoint. This is one of the most important tool to solve any of the problems of maths or science. For that you have to go here, you see slides, so go to slide show. You see the question came here, and you can see with the help of pen tab you can solve this problem. Here you can see if you go here, you see that if you go to pen here, you can see this pen, you can change the ink color, you can take any of the colors. There are three pens: ballpoint pen, there is felt pen, tip pen, and highlighter also, and you can erase also. Arrow option is also given. Not only that, you can see here that there are other things. This is the next slide, this is the previous slide, and this you can see that this is next or previous slide. Go to slide, screen, black screen, white screen, or help, and so right. Now first of all we'll go to this pen, right, and if we take this felt tip pen, right, and if we change the color, let the color be white. Here see we take white color. Now how to solve this one, that is important for us. With the help of pen tab we can get this one. Suppose question number 3 I'm solving in this way. Solve, right, we are solving this one, that question number 3a. Solve, that is question number 3.1. What is the question? The question is, for any integer a, what is minus 1 equal into a equal to? That means you have to find out minus 1 into a, right? Let us write once again. Let us see. Let us rub this one. Eraser. We take eraser, and we erase this one. We can erase this one, and let us write once again. Right? Let us take again the white color. We are taking the ballpoint pen, right? And here you see, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a? That is minus 1. Let us take the color as white. Ink color is, let us take the color as white color, right? Is minus 1, that is minus 1 into a. First of all, what you have to do? First of all, multiply a with 1, that is a, right? And you know that plus into minus is minus, therefore the answer is minus a. This is the answer, right? This is the answer. Now question number 2. If you see that question number 2, here you see that this is question number 2. What is that? Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is either minus 22 or 37 or 0. Here you see the product is minus 1. That means the answer will be in minus sign. That means the answer is A, that is minus 22. Minus 22. In this way, you can use the Microsoft PowerPoint to teach online, or you can teach anywhere in this way, or you can make slides for online teaching. Here you see, right? Now, if you have to go back, right? For going back, you have to escape. Right? Do you want to keep an ink annotation? Right? Yes, keep. Right? And here we are getting back here, right? Now we'll show how these slideshow shows. Let us see here. You see, this one is the slideshow. This is the, we have solved this one, right? In this way, you can make as many slides as you like for online teaching, right? You see here, we are getting this. I have shown you only in one slide. You can make as many slides and solve any of the questions. This is exercise 1.3, question number 3, 1 and 2. This is the solution, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.